All right, guys, y'all been asking for an update on the layout. So all this is hand painted. I've had a lot of help from a lot of friends in the hobby. So a friend of mine 3D printed this. And for anybody who doesn't know, this is a replica of the Jacksonville steel mill that's down in Florida. And then another friend made these backdrops for me. He's gonna make a bunch more, but he's gotta not be busy to do it. And then, as you can see, most of the lights in the downtown are now lit. The radio's still working. But the biggest things are actually things like this that were made. This is made out of scrap plywood that I had left over from the bench work when it was built. And the addition of this double lift out bridge. And one of my friends that came over to help me with this, one of the most important things we were talking about was the rounding of the corners, and I understood why he insisted on it being rounded. Anybody who's ever walked into a sharp pointed corner knows what it's like to bump into it. So this bridge isn't wired up yet, but both of them will be. So they'll be able to go up and down. And then all this stuff is going to be tied in with the steel mill. So hope y'all enjoyed the update. I know it's been about 7 months and we've had a lot going on. So have a good one.